Hi guys, today we are going to change the RAM of the laptop Latitude D610. The first one, I'll open this. What? Don't know. The second, open this.
Remove the cable. Remove the cable.
Remove the cable.
Cable whatever.
It's a good second. And open the keyboard. On zoom. This is the RAM. This is your RAM. You have two.
This is the old one.
This is the old one, yeah.
Go
Just
to
to
remove it.
Slowly,
Slowly,
slowly, yeah. And the new RAM
to put it
inside. Good.
Okay.
Okay, thank
now
you.
Now we finished it.
Now we finish it.
And we will put back the cable.
And you will put back the cable. And the last. That's good.
And we finished.
We finished. Thank you guys.
See you.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.